Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix too many requests on ChatGPT. Now firstly, open the ChatGPT website on your browser. Now open one more tab. Now search for OpenAI status. Now click on the first link. On this web page, you can actually find out if there is an issue with the ChatGPT or if it's facing any delays. Now there's another way to fix it. Just open a new tab and click on the three dots at the top right and go to your browser settings. Once you're in the settings, go to privacy and security and clear the cache and cookies here. And hopefully it will fix your problem. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.